rhythm, and Amir Khan made us smile with his perfection.
Buji, we have seen the fun of 70s and 80s, but what about the 90s movies? Were they just as exciting and thrilling?
Oh, yes, cutie. The 1990s were super cool and full of sparkle. Telugu stars like Nagarjuna and Venkatesh won hearts with their charm and powerful performances. In Hindi cinema, Salman Khan, Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan became absolute favorites. Movies were packed with thrilling adventures, beautiful romance, and laugh out loud comedy that made audiences smile from start to finish.
That sounds amazing! And the songs? Did everyone sing and dance to them too?
Of course! Songs like
चल चैया 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 నెల్లూరి నెరజానా నీ కుంకుమల్లె మారిపోనా నారే 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 నారే
played everywhere. Children danced in school functions, people danced on the streets, and families clapped and sang together at home. The air was filled with music and happiness. Cutie?
Yay! Dancing everywhere must have been so much fun! Absolutely! Movies of the 1990s added even more sparkle, brighter colors, and songs that made you want to jump up and dance along with the stars on screen. Buji, I really wish.
Cutie! Who knows? Maybe we can perform a little bit of that magic right here today? Every era has its own charm, and the 1990s were truly filled with glittering movie magic.
Recreate the magic of 90s. Get ready to rewind the clock as we joyfully welcome the little stars of PP One Daffodils onto the stage.
Three, two, one, jump! Chicka booka rile. Atarana teeni style. Chickanina figure. Iti okay ante kubule.
raile adarena teeni style చక్కనైన ఫిగరే ఇది ఓకే అంటే కుబులే రైలే అదరైన దీన్ని స్టైలే చక్కనైన ఫిగరే ఇది ఓకే అంటే కుబులే దీని చూపులేదు ఏ భాష కళ్ళలోనే ఉంది నిష ఈ హొయలే చూస్తే జనఘోష చెంగు తగిలితే కలుగును సోష చిక్కుబుక్ రైలే అదరైన దీన్ని స్టైలే చక్కనైన ఫిగరే ఇది ఓకే అంటే కుబులే
అదిరేటి డ్రెస్సు మీ వేస్తే బెదిరేటి లుక్కు మీరేస్తే
unforgettable. Yes, the 2000s, a golden era when cinema blended with romance, action, emotion, and unforgettable melodies. And Hindi cinema dazzled us with iconic actors, graceful actresses, and music that still plays in our playlist today. With stars like Hrithik Roshan, Ajay Devgan, and Aishwarya Rai dazzling the world, cinema reached its new level of glamour.
After the 90s, what happened in 2000s movies? Were they different and exciting? Movies were like super colorful parties on a big screen. That sounds fantastic. And what about the songs?
Yes! Oh, wow! Cutie! Telugu heroes like Mahesh Babu and Prabhas became youth icons, while Hindi stars like Shah Rukh Khan, Kareena Kapoor, and Hrithik Roshan dazzled everyone with their style, acting, and amazing dance moves. Their performances made audience cheer, smile, and jump with joy.
Oh, the songs were everywhere. Beautiful Hindi songs like Kal Ho Na Ho and Kohi Kahe Kehta Rahe, along with Telugu melodies like Nuve Nuve Kavalantundi Prati Kshanam Na Pranam, played in homes, schools, buses, and celebrations.
Children, parents, and even grandparents danced together. Movies truly felt like magical music boxes full of joy.
Wow, just hearing about them makes me want to dance right now.
Go ahead, cutie. That's the spirit of the 2000s. Dancing became fun, energetic, and bright. Songs were full of emotions, meaningful stories, and cool stuffs that made everyone smile, clap, and enjoy the moment.
Movies really are like magical adventures filled with songs and dances.
Yes, and they brought families together, made friends dance without fear, and created beautiful memories that people still cherish today. Cutie?
Let's welcome our next performers who are all set to take us into the era of style and spectacle. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the stars of PP Vansenias onto the stage with a thunderous round of applause.
Say,
మైకం కమ్మిందా ముత్యమా ముత్యమా వస్తవా ముత్తులే మత్తుగా ఇస్తవా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా ఈ హాయి తొలి ప్రేమ ఫలితమా ఇదేమిటమ్మా మాయా మాయా మైకం కమ్మిందా जाऊंगा तेरे इश्क में गोते खाऊंगा ओ मन मैं तो गया तेरे दिल में टेंट लगाऊंगा हुण पिंडना वापस जाऊंगा ओ मन मैं तो गया मंदा जीता था खुल के तेरी गली में आया भूल के जी चंगा भला सी मैं लुट गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया मैं तो गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया उनकी मैं तो लुट पुट गया
the era of bold storytelling, young heroes and fresh energy. The time of Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Varun Dhawan and many more, who gave cinemas a whole new spark. This decade introduced us to versatile actors, inspiring actresses and characters that felt real and relatable. From soulful melodies to high-energy dance numbers, the songs of the 2010s became instant sensations across languages.
Budji, we have traveled through so many movie eras. But what about 2010s movies? Naire, naire, nai naire mama. My father used to sing when I was in my mother's womb. Were they as exciting as they look today?
Oh yes! The 2000s movies were super fun and full of power. Telugu stars like Allu Arjun and Junior NTR amazed everyone with their stylish acting and electrifying dance moves. In Hindi cinema, Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone dazzled audiences with their energy, expressions and grand performances.
That sounds incredible. And the songs, what made them so special? Did they also bring energy, happiness and party mood? What are the songs?
Cutie? Songs like Gajarare, 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 Kale Kale
చెప్పవే చిరుగాలి చల్లగా ఎదగిల్లి చెప్పవే చిరుగాలి చల్లగా ఎదగిల్లి ఎక్కడే వసంతాలకేలి ఓ చెప్పవే నీతో తీసుకెళ్ళి
became instant favorites. Children, youngsters, and adults danced like crazy. Schools, homes, and parties were filled with rhythm, excitement, and unstoppable energy.
Wow, exactly. Butta bomma, tiniki. Uh-oh, I forgot the lyrics. Dancing and singing everywhere. Sounds like so much fun.
Cutie! The 2010s brought amazing visual effects, magical costumes, powerful music, and high energy dance moves.
Get ready to witness a performance that blends energy, emotion, and innovation as we celebrate the glamour, rhythm, and emotion of remarkable decade.
వైగుంది బేబీ వైగుందిలే ఈ గ్లోబ్ నూపే వైగుందిలే వైగుంది బేబీ వైగుందిలే ఈ గ్లోబ్ నాపే వైగుందిలే అంటే ఫ్లవర్ అనుకుంటువా? ఫైర్ రా, తగ్గేదేలే.
Dear parents, we would like to remind you that your children will be relieved only after their dinner. So please go to the CBSE block only after the dinner of the children to pick up your children. Please remember this. I repeat again. The children will have the dinner. After the dinner only they will be handed over to you. So till then, kindly enjoy the program. Thank you.
That was pure. That was pure fire on stage. What a vibrant and powerful way to bring the 2010s to life. Let's hear it one more time for our amazing performers. Leadership is not merely a position, it is a responsibility. Politicians are the voice of millions, shaping the structure of society with their vision and actions. Through centuries, political leaders have guided nations, inspired revolutions, and written the destiny of civilization. Their profession demands courage, strategy, and an unshakable sense of duty. A true politician leads not from a throne, but from the heart of the people. Their power lies in their ability to listen, to act, and to inspire. And tonight, our young performers step into the shoes of these leaders, showcasing strength, energy, and charisma of these political professions.
Budji, I have always wondered, how did people start leading others? How did politics even begin when there were no rules or governments?
That's a wonderful question, cutie. Long ago, humans lived in small groups and communities. They needed guidance to live safely and peacefully.
So, leadership existed even before kings and elections. So, I understand that as communities grew into villages, cities, and kingdoms, people created simple rules to maintain order. Councils were formed, laws were written, and leaders began listening to others. Slowly, the idea of sharing power and representing people's voices developed.
Over time, leadership became more organized. Today, we have democracies, parliaments, and elected governments. Cutie, people choose their leaders through voting. Politicians work to improve education, healthcare, safety, and the environment. Their job is not just to lead, but to serve the people.
Wow, that sounds important. But what will politicians do in the future?
In the future, leaders will use technology to make better decisions. They may use data, digital communication, and teamwork to solve big problems.
So, being a politician isn't just about power. It's about kindness, responsibility, and guiding people in the right way.
Exactly, cutie. And tonight, as you watch our program, you will see how leadership has changed over time.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our confident and powerful politicians of tomorrow and put your hands together for our grade 1 politicians.
You're just a need another second. Munavista nityam chaitam. Nalugurugani seve abhimatam. Kashtam yedaina sammatam. मरेंगे पार करेंगे सबको हम कर दे चारों खाने चित अरे कमर को कस लो हाथ कलश लो राज तिलक है माथे अरे मस्तानों की टोली आई सर पे साफा बांधे कमर को कस लो हाथ कलश लो राज तिलक है माथे मैदान में डट जिगरो फौलाद का हाथ में लट मैदान में डट जिगरो फौलाद का हाथ में लट अरे जय जयकारा है ललकारा अब तो हम कर दे चारों खाने चित చుట్టరా పట్టు పిడికిలి బిగబట్టరా చెప్పలు దండు చరిచి జై కొట్టరా పదవు పోకుతూ కోట్లాది పెట్టురా చూడర మల్లేశ చుట్టమైనది భరోసా కుమ్మర గణేశ గుణగట్టర కుల్లాస పంటమున్న కోడే మనదే ఈ జాతరా దారిలే కరువై శివనెత్తరా వెనుకలు చెనురా వేల కన్నుల నిండారా అది అది
presence brought politics alive on the stage in the most inspiring way. Let us applaud them once again for showcasing the world of leadership with such brilliance. Every grain of rice, every piece of bread, every fruit on our table, all of it begins in the hands of a farmer. They are the heartbeat of the land. While the world dreams of skyscrapers and space travelers, farmers continue their silent revolution in their fields by nurturing life with care, hard work and faith. They sow with hope, they harvest with pride, and they feed entire nations. Their profession may look simple, but it carries the weight of humanity. Today, our students bring to stage a heartfelt tribute to these heroes of the soil, our farmers.
Budji, I have always wondered. Long ago, early humans carefully observed nature. They noticed that when seeds fell into the soil, and received sunlight and water, new plants grew. How did humans first learn farming? Who thought of planting seeds instead of only collecting food from forest?
Hey, cutie! That's an amazing question. They also learned which plants gave good food and how animals helped make the soil healthy.
So, farming was not just planting seeds, it was learning, trying, and understanding nature.
Exactly! Over many years, humans improved their methods. They used simple tools like wooden hoes, later plows, and eventually machines.
And today, farmers use machines and technology, right?
Yes!
Wait, I shall tell you. Today's farmers use tractors, harvesters, sprinklers, and even computers. They check weather report, soil quality, and plant health using modern tools. This helps them grow more food while protecting nature.
Cutie, that's amazing!
Wow, I know everything. But what will farming be like in the future?
The future of farming is very exciting. Farmers will use budgies, smart machines, and special systems to save water and protect the earth.
So farmers have helped build our world from the beginning, and they will continue to take care of us for many generations.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the students of grade 1 with loud cheers and warm heart to perform a dance on the theme Farmer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the people who work day and night to feed us all onto the stage with a loud applause.
సిరిమూవల్లే చిలుకే చేరగా చల్లు చల్లుమని పులకింతల్లు పుడమే పాడగా కల్లు కల్లుమని సిరిమూవల్లే చిలుకే చేరగా చల్లు చల్లుమని పులకింతల్లు పుడమే పాడగా హరివిల్లు ఎత్తి కరిమబ్బు వానవాడాలే వేయని నిలువెల్ల మనసు వడగళ్ళు తాకి కడగళ్ళే తీరని జడివాన జాడతో ఈ వేళ జన జీవితాలు చిగురించేలా లాలసీమలో ఈ వేళ రతనాల ధారలే కురిసేలా కల్లు కల్లు మని సిరిమూవల్లే చిలుకే చేరగా చల్లు చల్లు మని పులకింతల్లు పుడమే పాడగా లేరని ఆకాశానికి చెప్పని తీరతాక్షర లేఖని ఇప్పుడే పంపని అన్నం పుణ్యం ఎరగని మా సీమకి రమ్మని ఆహ్వానం అందించని మెరిసే చూపుని తొలగింది ముక్కు అని నీలి మొక్కు మనసారా నవ్వని చిరు చల్లు ముక్కు మన ముంగిలంత ముత్యాలే చల్లని సుగంధమై నేలంతా సంక్రాంతి గీతమే పాడేలా శాంతి మంత్రమై గాలంతా దిశలన్నీ అల్లని ఈ వేళ
హైడుమంటూ నింగి ఒళ్ళు విరిగెను గట్టి పరకతోన జడారి కళ్ళు తెరుచుకున్న వేళన చినుకు పూలవాన సముద్రమెంత దాహమేస్తే వెతికెను ఊట బావినే శిరస్సు మంచి శిఖర మంచు ముత్తిడి మట్టి నేలనే పదర పదరా నీ అడుగుకి పదును పెట్టి పదరా నీ అడవిని చదును చెయ్యి మరి వెతుకుతున్న సిరి దొరుకుతుంది కదరా పదర పదరా ఇప్పుడమిని అడిగి చూడు పదరా చిగెలుపును మలుపు ఎక్కడను ప్రశ్నలన్నిటికీ సమాధానమిదిరా ఇదిరా నీ మొదలిదిరా ఈ పదమున మొదటడుగేరా నీ తరమిదిరా అని తరమిదిరా అని చాటేరా పదర పదరా నీ అడుగుకి పదును పెట్టి పదరా నీ అడవిని చదువు చెయ్యి మరి వెతుకుతున్న సిరి దొరుకుతుంది కదరా పదర పదరా ఇప్పుడమిని అడిగి చూడు పదరా చిగెలు పను మలుపు ఎక్కడను ప్రశ్నలన్నిటికీ సమాధానమిదిరా ఒళ్ళు నింగి ఒళ్ళు విరిగెను గట్టి పరకతోన జడారి కళ్ళు తెరుచుకున్న వేళన చినుకు పూలవాన సముద్రమెంత దాహమేస్తే వెతికెను ఊట బావినే శిరస్సు మంచి శిఖర మంచు ముత్తిడ మట్టి నేలనే
was vibrant and full of life. Every step reflected the spirit of land and the strength of a farmer who keep it alive.
Their colorful energy reminded us that no matter how modern the world becomes, a farmer will always be its foundation.
A big round of applause to our performers who beautifully celebrated the farmer's legacy.
A teacher doesn't just teach, they ignite minds. They build the foundation on which dreams rise and civilizations grow.
Every scientist, leader, artist and innovator once sat before a teacher. By listening, learning and discovering their own strength, their profession shapes lives, inspires generations and transforms the ordinary to extraordinary.
Today we pay tribute to those noble souls who gave their wisdom without expecting anything in return, the teachers. I'm a very good girl, said my old teacher, my dear Bujji. Bujji, I am really curious. How did teaching start? And how did people learn new things before schools and classrooms even existed?
Cutie, long ago, learning happened everywhere. Elders, parents, and storytellers shared knowledge by talking, showing, and guiding children.
It's not possible to say forever like we save knowledge in books. So teaching began in a simple way and slowly grew into schools.
Exactly! As time passed, people created schools to organize learning better.
Today, teachers use books, computers, smart boards, and digital lessons to make learning interesting. They encourage students to ask questions, think creatively, and discover new ideas. Teachers help children grow with confidence and curiosity, especially in my second home, Shloka International School. And how will teaching be in the future?
In the future, learning will be even more exciting, cutie. Students may learn through virtual classrooms, smart technology, and fun activities.
Teachers don't just teach lessons, they guide us, inspire us, and shape the future of humanity.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome them with a
मास्टर जी की आ गई चिट्ठी चिट्ठी में से निकली बिल्ली चिट्ठी में से निकली मास्टर जी की आ गई चिट्ठी चिट्ठी में से निकली बिल्ली चिट्ठी में से निकली बिल्ली
समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर हट समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर खोल पर खोल पर खोल पर खोल
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना जहाँ कल क्या हो ये जाना जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना जहाँ कल क्या हो ये जाना अरे उठले उठले हो 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 उठले उठले हो
Let me sing a good story. Pay attention, listen to me.
magic. They received it through the voices and steps of our young stars. A big round of applause to these performers who remain us to bow our heads in respect